In the cytosol of bacteria E. coli, a protein called GA is present. This GA is a histidine kinase. The GA is stably bound to the methyl accepting chemotaxis protein or MCP via GW. GW is an adapter protein. The MCP is otherwisely called as receptor histidine kinase. This MCP is considered as the component 1 of the two-component system in E. coli. The MCP is associated with plasma membrane. The MCP and its associated proteins like GA and GW are all clustered at one end of the cell. When the repellent binds to the MCP activity increases. Due to this increased MCP activity, GA binds with ATP. The bound ATP is then converted into ADP and a phosphate group. This phosphate group binds to the histidine amino acid on the GA. The ADP is then released from the GA. This type of phosphorylation of GA is called as autophosphorylation. The cytosolic protein GY is called as response regulator. It is considered as the component 2 of the two-component system in E. coli. The GY then binds to the phosphorylated GA. The phosphate group on the GA is then transferred to aspartate amino acid on the GY. This phosphorylation activates GY. The activated GY then binds to a flagellar motor. This binding causes clockwise rotation of the flagellar motor. This clockwise rotation of flagellar motor results in tumbling. The cytosolic proteins like GB and GR are involved in sensory adaptation. When the attractants like sugars and amino acids binds to the MCP, the activity of MCP decreases. As a result, the autophosphorylation of GA is decreased. As a result, the phosphorylation of GY is decreased. So the unphosphorylated GY cannot bind to the flagellar motor. As a result, the flagellar motor undergoes anti-clockwise rotation. As a result, E. coli undergoes smooth swimming. To keep the response dynamic, a cytosolic protein called as GZ binds to the phosphorylated GY and accelerates the separation of phosphate group from the GY with the release of an inorganic phosphate or PI. The removal of phosphate group from GY by itself is called as auto-dephosphorylation. Due to the auto-dephosphorylation, the GY becomes inactive. The inactive GY and GZ then separates from the flagellar motor. As a result, the flagellar motor undergoes anti-clockwise rotation. As a result, the E. coli undergoes smooth swimming. The two-component system is also found in the gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, and archaea. An important point: E. coli can detect O2 and extremes of temperature by using two-component system. Please like, subscribe and share.